And that's good because Lucy is here from Greer's.
Yeah, lucky you today, Joe,
Yeah.
because Lucy just listened to whatever your tummy wanted this morning, and she's making something so perfect for the summer.
I know. It is kind of rare that you do a salad with strawberries. Of course, you know, a lot of people slice them up and put them on top of a green salad, but today we're going to make a salad with strawberries and some avocado and a really fresh vinaigrette. So just kind of a fresh, unique, you know, either side dish, or you could easily add some shrimp to this and, you know, put have it as a main meal. So I thought we could make the vinaigrette first.
Sure. I love this because you've made a dressing before.
Oh, yeah.
And they're so good. I told you, like, dressings, I just automatically think, let me go into the grocery store and buy one.
Yeah.
But you can make them too, of course.
Yeah, and they're so easy.
Yeah.
They really are. And a good thing to remember when you're making a vinaigrette is 3-to-1 ratio. So we're going to use 3, and the ratio is 3 olive oils to 1 vinegar. And you can just adjust that to, you know, whatever quantity you want. So like today, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of olive oil, so we're going to use 1 tablespoon of vinegar. But I'm going to start with half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard.
Yeah.
And this is going to kind of help the vinaigrette come together and also just give it some flavor too. And we're going to sweeten it up. You could do maple syrup, you could use agave, whatever. I just like to use honey, and so I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons of honey.
Yum.
And then we're going to use some white balsamic vinegar today, and also a little bit of orange juice.
That's going to be very refreshing to go with the salad too. While you're doing that and mixing everything up, tell me about Greer's. You guys had an ad just dropped today.
Yes, and we are in our 2nd week of our big anniversary sale. So we're celebrating our 106th year this year. And so we actually have strawberries on sale this week, and I was like, oh, that'd be fun to do something with our strawberries. So our buyers have worked so hard to get amazing deals for our anniversary, and it's fun because if you go online or look at your sales ad, each store, all 29 stores, are having a customer appreciation day.
Cool.
Either, you know, this weekend or next weekend. They chose their day, so look on there, you know, so you can see whichever local Greer's is going to be celebrating which day. So, and we have so many prizes that we're registering for, so go into the store and put your name on all there's gift cards given away. We're doing like grills and all sorts of stuff. So we're just thankful to be celebrating our 106th year.
106,
I know.
Lucy, can you believe that?
No, it's so hard to believe. I mean, it just feels like yesterday that we were celebrating our 100th year.
Right.
And we, you know, had such a ball doing that with all of our customers and all of our team members. But we are coming off the 4th of July, so we had you know, a great 4th of July week, and just seeing lots of new faces, which is always fun. So hopefully if you aren't a Greer shopper or haven't been in a while, you'll use this opportunity of our anniversary to go in and see us.
I promise that you will love it, a choice that you will not regret. So when we come back with Joe, Lucy, what will we be doing with the salad?
Okay, we're going to start putting things together, and we're going to talk about these honey walnuts that we made.
Look so good. All right, we will continue this with Joe and Lucy coming up on Studio 10.
Welcome back into the kitchen with Lucy from Greer's. Lucy, how's your summer going?
Oh, it's going great. The kids did swim team for the first time this year, so we had our last swim meet last night. Oh, and L1, she's 5, and so she just did freestyle, and I missed it, but Spirit took a little video. She's like, I win,
Nice.
Mom. So, and the boys did good too, so we've done that, and gone to the beach some, but the kids said they're ready to go back to school. I'm like, good, because I'm ready for you to go back to school.
Summer is fun, but hey, so is school. So there you go.
But summer's really fun at Greer's. I was telling Chelsea, we always celebrate our anniversary during the summer.
Right.
So of course we love, you know, kicking off with Memorial Day, and just the summer in a grocery store is fun because there's so many more people, and then, you know, going into you know, we get Father's Day and July 4th, and so then after July 4th we always celebrate our anniversary. So we're 106 this year.
Wow.
And so there's a lot of fun things going on in the store. If you haven't been into a Greer's lately, it's a great opportunity because we have so many prizes that we're registering for, and so many great things on sale. We have strawberries on sale this week, but of course everything across the meat department too, and across the whole store. So the summer's just kind of, it's fun.
Yeah, fun times in the summer. summer, and also you want something refreshing and healthy in the summer, and that's what you're making today is this great summertime salad.
Yes, I thought we would just kind of do something different today. So what I've already done is sliced up, this is just 1 pound of strawberries, and I sliced those up. And what we already did over here is we made our vinaigrette. And so we just did a little bit of Dijon mustard and some honey. We did a little bit of white balsamic vinegar and some fresh orange juice, just a tiny pinch of salt and some olive oil. So that's just really simple. And if you didn't want to do that, of course, you could just buy, you know, balsamic vinaigrette or whatever vinaigrette at the store. And I'm going to use an avocado. So it's kind of just a few tips on avocados, because I feel like sometimes they're kind of hard to pick out. So when you are shopping for an avocado, I should have shown you how I sliced it, but of course they come like this. But when you go to pick one out, you do not want to, I'm going to see how the camera is, you do not want to be able to push all the way down and it's mushy. Like right now, see how it just gives?
Just a little bit?
Just a little bit. You know, if it's rock hard, it's not ripe enough yet to eat. So you just kind of press it like this, and if it just has like a slight give, kind of like, you know, where if you press on your finger, then it's going to be nice and bright and green on the inside. And then of course it comes with a big pit, and you just kind of pop it out, and then you can take it out and then slice it, but I kind of like to slice it in the flesh like that, and then you can grab a spoon or you can just pop it out of the skin. So I'm going to add some avocado on this, and then you could use whatever cheese you like, but I thought that feta would be good, or crumbled goat cheese would be really good, just to have that that tang in there and the pretty white color. And
those are the right choices.
Those
are the correct cheese choices.
Okay, good,
Yeah.
good. I'm glad that you agree with me. You know, Joe is quite the cook himself, and so sometimes I want to make sure that I'm making the right choices for Joe.
Well, this looks fantastic, so we're going to let you continue working on that. In the meantime, y'all, not only is it the 106th anniversary, but as you mentioned earlier, today the weekly ad comes out, so you can see all that Greer's has going on for you. Grilling season is still well underway, so many different fun food options for the summertime, including this salad. You can find the recipe online. We'll be back to finish it up in just a bit. Thanks a lot, Lucy.
Welcome back to Studio 10. We are live with Lucy.
She has walnuts in her mouth.
I do have walnuts in my mouth. Her name is Lucy, if you're wondering, and she is with Greer's, and she is our good friend with us this morning making a strawberry salad.
Yes, we have made our vinaigrette, and that was some fresh orange juice and Dijon mustard and honey, a little bit of white balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So we whisked that up, and that was super simple. And then we have layered our strawberries and 1 avocado, and I just squeezed a little bit of the orange juice on the avocado so it doesn't turn on us. And I wanted to show y'all how to make these honey walnuts, but I forgot my walnuts, so I'll just explain what I did.
Please.
I just bought a pack of walnut pieces, and this is just one of those little half-cup packs. And then I melted half a tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, and just a dash of cinnamon and some chipotle chili powder in a saucepan. And then you just toss the walnuts in there, and you don't have to cook them or anything in the oven. I just coated it and then just poured them out on a parchment paper, and then, you know, just let them cool off. So
yum.
Anyway, you can, that's just kind of, you know, a little extra step, but these are great for snacking. I mean, these are great to like make and, you know, put on a board, a charcuterie board or something like that if you're making one.
Well, they're delicious too. I did not, like Lucy said, I just ate a few of them. I did not taste the chili powder. I mean, it's very
It was
light.
Very faint. It was very faint, and you could, you know, flavor it up with whatever you want, or, you know, do more for a kick.
Sure.
For sure. And then we're just crumbling some feta over that, or like I mentioned, you could use goat cheese, and then you're just gonna drizzle our dressing over it. And you can use, I just grabbed this pie plate because it was, you know, kind of pretty and clear so we could see through it. But you could use just a shallow bowl or a dish, and that is ready to go.
Yum.
So just something different. I mentioned we have strawberries on sale for our 100th anniversary. And I forgot to mention, I mentioned that we are registering for a bunch of prizes, but I forgot the grand prize, which we're registering for $6,006.
Wow.
So, and there's a lot of giveaways too, like tickets to the new water park at OWA and a lot of great things. So go in, and we're in our second week.
Right.
So, and then next week we'll also be celebrating our anniversary. So different sale items. So you have until, I think the 25th of July. But you should just go in every day or every week anyway.
Yeah, just go in and shop when you don't have to go shopping.
Yeah.
For folks who go in, after they purchase their items, is there a way to write your name or something?
Yes, there's a registration box at every store, and there's a little slip, so you'll just fill out your information and cross your fingers.
Oh, $6,006. I would gladly take it.
Yes,
for
that's
sure.
a lot of diapers.
That's a lot of diapers. Yeah, for sure. So Lucy's going to be back next week. Real quick before we go, what are you making?
Yeah,
next
we're
week?
going to make a Greek pasta salad with a tzatziki sauce dressing.
Yum, that's going to be delicious. We're going to have more of Lucy next Wednesday on Studio 10.